It's time to check in with Approved Home Pros.
There is nothing more inconvenient than trying to leave the house in the morning and finding out that your garage door won't open. So here to talk about that and other common garage door problems is Jared from Empire Garage Door and Gate. Thanks so much for being with me today.
Thank you for having me.
What would you say are the three most common issues people are going to run into with their garage doors?
The most common calls we normally get on a daily basis is that my garage door will not open, my garage door will not close, or my remotes are not working.
Well, let's dive into each of those. Let's start with the remotes. Sometimes they don't work.
Sometimes the remotes don't work, and in San Diego there's a lot of reasons why. One of the biggest reasons and unexplainable reasons is the military, when they do their tests, they tend to block radio wave. And there's been multiple times in San Diego that I've experienced that people have not been able to get into their garages for at least 2 weeks, even affected car alarms.
That's really kind of crazy and a bigger problem that maybe we can't solve here today, but it could be something as simple as the batteries.
Absolutely.
You just have to change the batteries in those remotes. I know that's happened to me, and I'm really glad I didn't have to have anyone out and tell me that that was the problem. Let's talk about if the garage door won't open.
If the garage door won't open, there's numerous reasons it could be, but one of the biggest reasons is the counterbalance system, the torsion assembly, as
Which
you
is
see
what
here.
we're looking at here.
Yes. This spring here in the center, you see this gap in the middle, the spring is basically it's showing that this spring is broken.
Yeah, it's clearly no longer connected. I can look up and see that that is a problem. So it's really nice to be able to be in your own garage and see where the problem is and know that there is in fact a serious problem.
Absolutely, and one of the misconceptions is that a lot of consumers think that the garage door opener is designed to carry the door up, carry the weight up, and lift the door, but that's not the case. The spring system is actually what's needed to carry the weight of the door, and the garage door opener is actually what just moves the door.
Well, let's talk about what if the garage door won't close, because that's a demo that we have some footage of.
So on this LiftMaster model, you see a green and a orange light, and if you obstruct these lights, the lights are going to turn off or they're going to be flashing. As you saw, that light just moved. So the garage door is on its way closed right now, and if you walk through it or there's an obstruction, the garage door will stop, retract, open back up, and then it's going to alert you that something happened by flashing the lights.
That's such a great demo to explain why something isn't working. So thanks so much for that. Take care of your garage door problems quickly and easily with Empire Garage Door and Gate. You can call them today at 619-354-1480 or find them on ApprovedHomePros.com.